First thing you do is on your internet browser, you just want to type in SlidesGo like so. Once you type that in, you can go to their official website where you can easily search for any templates or actually view any down here that are actually trending. But let's just say we want to search for garden, space, or just any theme that you have that you might desire. And you can actually see all of these different templates on here. And if you want to view more detail for a certain one, like that you might be interested in using, you can click on it and you can actually go slide to slide to actually view all the slides with all the current filler information just on this page like here. And if you actually want to use one of these slides and modify it, all you need to do is you simply need to log in. Otherwise, you actually can't use any of these slides. But you click on login, top right hand corner, sign up if you don't have an account. But now once you've actually logged in, you can actually search for any of these presentations that you may be interested in. Whether it depends on the topic, it doesn't matter because they always have results. And as you can see, once I've actually found a slide that I may be interested in using right here, you can simply click on it and you can actually see all of the different slides, basically preview them with all their filler information that you can modify later. Another cool thing is you can change the color just by clicking on any of these available colors down here, just under this option here, and it'll actually change the entire color for the slides of your presentation. If we scroll down here and click on use this template here in this drop down arrow, you can actually import it into any of these applications like so. Let's say PowerPoint, for example. You simply click on PowerPoint and you can see it'll bring you to this window right here, and you click on the allow option on this page and you can see we can just open it just by clicking on the slide right here, and it will automatically be opened on your computer. Now if you wanted to open this in Microsoft PowerPoint, for example, all you do is you just want to go into your general files and you basically want to right click on the actual slide presentation that you want it to open, and you can see we can click on open with, and you can actually open it with PowerPoint. You'll have this option on the screen right here, but I don't because I don't have PowerPoint. That's all you do to open the slide.